What's going on, guys? We took our first loss. I took my first loss in 48 days. First loss in 48 days. Didn't take a single loss with the Ace model in July and haven't taken a loss in August until today. Unfortunately, so win streak is over. But it low key did me a lot of damage because of trailing drawdown. Can you believe that? When we edge take profit and then go to stop loss, the trailing drawdown's moving up this entire time, and so it moving down, and it doubled my loss. It doubled my risk because of the trailing drawdown on my 3 Apex funded accounts. Very unfortunate. So going to the day, market open. If you don't know setup 1 or setup 2, make sure you join the premium. Half off right now in August. Use code SAVE50, $37 total. And I'll teach you setup 1 and 2. But right here, we didn't have setup 1, not a valid entry, take continuation longs. And then we have our swing low, looking for setup 2. We get 2 closes, bang, bang. Anchor it at the bearish candles, boom, boom. And our value area high was right here, boom. What does that mean? Perfect entry at 0.5. We respected it 2 times, and then it looks like we're gonna go straight to take profit. We have our this is what normally happens: is we'll close and we'll respect 0.5, and then we'll dump instantly to take profit. And that's what always happens. And sometimes I go break even here. Today I didn't go break even on it because I felt so confident on it. I mean, we respected it twice. We even overextended, not overextended, but wicked out the 0.58 level and respected 0.5. I mean, this is like the best case scenario, honestly, especially for setup 2, which isn't the highest probability compared to the other 2 setups. And then we got edged. Unfortunate loss, but win streak was going to come to an end eventually. But dude, I seriously can't believe that we edged take profit. I mean, I wish we would have just dumped a stop loss, because the Apex fund is, bro, I risked 500, and then it ended up being over $1,000 of risk with 2,000 drawdown on the funded total drawdown. So I lost over half my drawdown because of the trailing drawdown. So that is unfortunate. But we're gonna come back stronger, and I'm not too worried. Because Ace model is pretty consistent, high win rate, 1-to-1, so that we don't get edged. So this is, I don't think I've ever gotten edged like this in the past. I think this is the closest it's ever gotten to being to getting almost hitting take profit and then not hitting take profit. So I can't tell you how much I lost today. All right, let me pull it up. I deleted it. I closed Tradecopia. But anyway, it was like, I think it's like over $5,000. It's like 5,100, but that's on eval. I always full port evals, and so those are like $3,000 a loss, and then about it's like 2,000 something dollars a loss on the funded. So like I lost 1,000 on a Lucid account, lost 500 on the three Apex accounts, and then like 200 on a live account, and I think that's it. I might be forgetting one. Anyway, so that was the trade we took today. Unfortunate loss. It was A+. It was actually super high confidence, especially since we respected 0.5 2 times, and we tapped into a low volume node that was right here as well. Oh, here we can see 700. Oh yeah, and for some reason, why is it 700? I measured it and it was 500. So why is it 700? This is on an eval. Why did it lose 700 and I measured it out and it was 500? I'm not sure, because I only risk 500 at a time. I'm not sure how that happened, but gotta make sure we measure correctly. Well, actually, we did measure correctly, because we risk 1,000 and then we risk half of that on the. Ooh, I know why. Because on the Tradecopia, I risk half the amount as the leader, and so it must have been like an odd number, and so it rounded up, and so it was a little more than half. That's probably what happened. That is probably what happened there. Unfortunate loss. Come back. I mean, honestly, this can be, I'm not too concerned about a loss. We can instantly get 2 wins in a row the next 2 trades, and then instantly be back in profit and stuff. That could happen by the end of the week. It's only the beginning of the week. Anyway, I will see y'all later on Monday for live trading. Unless you want to join us in premium, half off right now. Just saying. Only till the end of August, so that's like 10 more days. See ya, obviously. Wait. Yeah, see you Monday. Peace.